Hello, my name is Satyam and this is my Blender scripting series. This is chapter 0 prerequisites. So, prerequisites for Blender scripting. Now, let me tell you, Blender scripting and Blender add-on development is different, but in this tutorial, we are going to cover both scripting and add-on development. So, for scripting, the prerequisites are basic Python 3.11 knowledge. We are using Python 3.11 because Blender 4.1 is based on Python 3.11. Alright, so that's why Python 3.11. And if you do not know Python, you need to learn about variables, array types, logical statements, operators, conditional statements, loops, and most important of all, classes and function decorators. And this is pretty important. And even if you know even if you know Python, all of the above steps, but not classes and function decorators, then it will be hard for you to develop add-on. So you definitely need to learn about classes and function decorators. Now, next, prerequisites for add-on development. Again, Python 3.11, and and the next thing is code editor like Visual Studio Code. For development of add-ons, we cannot code in Blender, alright? So we need Visual Studio Code or some editor, whatever editor you are comfortable with. It's okay. Now the next point is optional. It is Python environment setup knowledge. Alright. So I will tell you why it is important or in the later videos. Alright, when we reach that part of the tutorial. So this is it for now, and go to the next chapter, which is chapter 1, only if you have learned Python. Alright, see you in the next video.